Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add payment method Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to add payment method Amazon Shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just direct the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the Account menu. Well, there will be lots of menu options. Tap your payment here. Well, here it will appear like this. Next, on the Wallet menu here, tap Add Payment Method. Here there will appear several payment method options that you can use. For example, I will choose this payment method. Well, it will appear like this. Enter the card number, card name, and others as on this screen. So that's it, tutorial how to add payment method Amazon Shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.